want to have that happen because I've seen you guys really good rock climbers. You get slack in that when you're at the edge and you fall.
Okay, Lena, look at the camera. There she goes.
There you go. Just hold on with that right hand. Don't ever let go of that one. All right. Right there. Here you go next. You're making the same noises I'm making.
Okay, Lena. Woo! Lena, look up. Lena, give Lena thumbs up. Yeah. Woo!